So you are going to be using citefast.com to create citations, but you're going to have to put them in your own Works Cited. So I'm going to show you today how to format a Works Cited in Google Docs. So first I'm going to start a new Google document. I'm going to title it Works Cited. Everything on your MLA8 formatted Works Cited page must be double spaced. So from the get-go, I am going to increase my spacing to double spacing. I also have to use what is called a hanging indent, which means every citation will start on the very left margin, but all lines underneath the start of the citation will go to the right a half an inch. So here's how you have to do that in Google Docs. First, you're going to grab the triangle that is the bottom of the ruler here, and you're going to slide this triangle to the right to the half-inch mark. Then you're going to pick up the rectangle, which is the top half of this little blue bar, and you are going to drag it all the way back over to the 0. Now you have the hanging indent set up for the rest of the document, so you should not have to do any type of tabs to get your hanging indent. All right, to start off, the Works Cited must be centered. And then I'm going to hit return, and I'm going to go back to left justify, and I still have my hanging indent over here on the left. So I need to put in my first citation. So I'm going to go, I've already created it in CiteFast. There it is. I'm going to click on the citation. It says that I can copy it. And I'm going to go back to my Works Cited, where I'm going to paste in the citation. I have made a few more citations and I need to add them to the Works Cited that I have already created. So I just made this one by Marshall Shepard. So again, I'm going to click on it. It's already highlighted, so I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go back to my Works Cited. I just need to hit return. And I'm going to paste it. The reason I pasted it here is because the S comes after F. My entries all have to be in alphabetical order. Okay, but I discovered I also had a second citation I haven't included yet. This one is called Hurricanes. So I'm going to pay attention as I click on this one that it starts with an H. So I'm going to copy that citation. I'm going to go back to my Works Cited sample. An H is going to come between F and S. So I'm going to have to hit after the F entry and paste in my H. As you can see, the hanging dent is working here because these lines are too long that they're carrying over. I didn't hit tab or anything. They just automatically increased anything after the first line so that it has that half-inch hanging indent. Now, one thing you might also have noticed is that the font I originally typed in is not the same as the font that is copying over from the website. So I'm going to select all, and I'm going to change the font so that it matches the rest of my assignment or the rest of my paper. In fact, I think the size is off too. So I'm going to check the font and the size. And there, it's good to go.